Well, it's day 144. I think it's the 26th of July. Down here at this spring, it's a pretty good water source right by Butler campsite. So I just got my water. There's my pack. There's a couple bottles of water. It's kind of lightly drizzled, kind of dripping off the trees more than anything. But wasn't supposed to rain today. All right, I'll get walking. I'm thinking about trying to get to town today. For one thing, hoping to find some food, but I'd like to get cleaned up too. The trail's not too bad, but it's like the leaves aren't very thick on the trees. And boy, the sun just beats right down on you. No wind, kind of humid. Yesterday I did 14 and a half miles. Yeah, trail's pretty easy, just I feel wore out. But I'm hoping to get to Cornwall, get a hotel today. I know there's a deli I can eat a couple times. Not much of a view. It's kind of hot and humid, hazy looking. That's my trail. Oh, that looks kind of neat. Big cliff here. You go through a crack in the stones. That was called Rogers Ramp. Big stone here on the other side. Stones are a little wet. That's my trail through there. Yeah, I've been seeing all these dead white moths on the ground. And I just seen a northbounder. He said that the gypsy moths came through and ate all these leaves. That's why I can't find some of the leaves you can tell they'd been ate on. Yeah, like that one right there. That's why we're getting so much sunshine in the forest. All the leaves are like 40% eaten. Okay, so that's why I'm so hot. No shade. You can see on the ground there, it's all sunshine. Here's my view. Still really hazy. Just so hot and humid. I can't hardly make any time. Sweaty. There's my trail. These brown spots on the side of the tree are the cocoons for the caterpillar for the gypsy moth. And you can see the top of this tree, how the leaves are pretty well destroyed. And that's why I don't have any shade. There's the trail. Pretty hot.
this is the problem. This is the trail. This is the trail on the other side. Ah, I just gotta get across. My knees are hurting. Route 4 is just on the other side of that, up the hill, I think. Alright, let's figure a way to get across here. Don't really want to get my shoes wet. Not done for the day. Well, I'm thinking about that log right there. I hope it's not just floating. I hope it's attached on both sides. And it's wet on top. It was a little wobbly. I made it. Still got my shoes on. Now let's get over here, and the trail's right over there.